So the World Cup bound Reggae Girlz got their grand send-off at the National Stadium last night. It was a good win by Jamaica and a fair all-round team performance. But uno coulda deal. Special mention must be made of the big Jamaican striker, Khadija Bonishaw. She is the star of this Jamaican team, and she delivered emphatically like a star in front of an expectant home crowd at the stadium. Khadija Shaw is 22 years old, and she's already Jamaica's all-time leading goal scorer in women's football with an impressive 29 goals in 26 games. She was the top goal scorer in the entire World Cup qualifying campaign across all countries and all confederations with 19 goals. Those are facts about Bonishaw. This is no my maverick opinion about Khadija Shaw. I think she could make any women's football team anywhere in the world right now. And not just make any team. She could make any team in the world and score goals. She's not just big and powerful. She has good skills, good technique, good vision, and a great eye for goal. Right now, Jamaica enters the World Cup in France with one of the brightest young stars in women's football in Khadija Bonishaw. If any defenders slip up against Jamaica at this World Cup, Bonishaw will eat them raw. Lion paw!